In this video, I'll run through a step-by-step guide on how to embed a Veo video into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud emails. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add a Google Veo video to your Marketing Cloud emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email using a Google Veo video just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to build a new email in Salesforce. We select Content Builder from where we select to create a new email template. From the template options, you can select from Basic, Themed, or Saved. We'll be using a basic template. We can now see our template in the editor. Next, we locate the HTML block in the basic content block area. We drag this HTML block into position within the template, where we wish our Google Veo video to be featured. We now save this work and name the template. We are now ready to move on to formatting our video content. Okay, so let's grab our video from Veo. Firstly, log into your Veo account. Now open the video you wish to download. Click the download button located above the video player and select Download Full Recording. We will now move on to formatting this video for embedding into our email. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our Veo video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting the Veo video from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our Veo video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the Veo video. We have now successfully uploaded our Veo video. Next, we choose how we are going to use the Veo video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our Veo video to our Salesforce template. We return to our Salesforce template in Content Builder. We now paste the HTML snippet into the HTML pane. Our Veo video is now in position within our template. Next, we select the mobile preview to view how our video email plays on mobile. Finally, we proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for sending. Thanks for watching. For more details on the free trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.